Hello, I'm Dr. Natalie Marks, and I'm here with Olivia and Bodhi.
Hello.
We wanted to talk a little about medical insurance for pets today, and we'll use Bodhi as a great example of how it all works.
Yeah, so for starters, I think the best analogy would be human health insurance.
Yes, if you've ever had health insurance for yourself or your family, pet insurance is pretty similar. You choose a policy to help you afford medical expenses. You pay a monthly amount, and when your pet needs to go to the veterinarian for an accidental illness or injury, your insurance pays a percentage of the bill for you.
So at Trupanion, we obviously talk to a lot of folks wondering if pet insurance is worth it. From your experience, have you recommended pet insurance in the past?
Oh, absolutely. There is nothing harder than a conversation with a pet owner where treatment is available but unaffordable. So when pets and owners need it most, it's there for them, and everyone ends up happier.
What would you say to the person who says, my pet is young and healthy, I don't really need it, so how long can I wait before I get it?
Well, we call those folks gamblers. Look, your pet is young and healthy. They just had their first exam at adoption, and obviously we hope everything stays that way for a long time. But we can't predict the future. Pets get into all kinds of mischief, especially younger pets, and there's no way to know what can happen. What I like to say is hope for the best, but plan for the worst. Puppies especially can have trouble with an upset stomach. Vomiting and diarrhea are some of the most common reasons folks bring their pets in. And since your puppy can't just tell us where it hurts or what they ate, we might need to perform diagnostic procedures just to learn what's bothering your pet. Then, depending on the issue, treatment recommendations can add up too.
No kidding. Do you know the highest claim Trupanion has paid for vomiting and diarrhea?
Well, I see a lot of these types of visits, so I do have some insider knowledge. I'm going to guess $10,000.
That's a lot of money, but actually the Trupanion policy paid $15,641.
And I don't know about you, Olivia, but I don't have that just lying around.
Yeah, obviously every pet is different, but when you look at the most common claims for puppies, there are some very large claims paid. The Trupanion policy paid $26,209 for a foreign body ingestion claim. An 8-month-old Bernese Mountain Dog came into the vet limping. The Trupanion policy paid $9,928 for that claim. Puppies are always chewing on things, right?
So we've seen these unexpected costs can add up quickly. Let's talk about how you pick a pet insurance provider that's right for you.
The two questions people say are the most important are what's covered and what's the cost?
A little bit of both, right? Obviously, you need a policy that fits your budget. Like we said, some policies can let you choose your deductible and adjust your monthly premium to fit what you want to pay. But you also want to look at what's covered. You also need to think about how they'll pay your claim. The most common method is reimbursement, where your insurance provider pays either you or your veterinarian once they've approved your claim.
That means you still have to pay the bill in full.
True, depending on your provider, you may have to pay the bill first, then submit your claim, then wait for them to approve and reimburse you. The good news is most providers promise to review and approve claims within a few weeks.
But that's a few weeks of being out all that money, whereas Trupanion is the only provider able to pay veterinarians directly at the time of your visit. So your claim can be submitted, reviewed, approved, and paid, often within 5 minutes using our proprietary software where available.
Exactly. Not everyone can afford to wait. And with the direct payment method, we can get right to work treating pets. And our pet owner clients can relax knowing that covered costs are taken care of at the time of checkout.
Yeah, that just sounds way easier.